If you've ever cranked up your car stereo expecting clean, powerful sound, only to get weak bass, distortion, or that flat feeling, then you're going to want to hear this. Today, we're answering a question that confuses a lot of people upgrading their car audio, which is, do door speakers need an amp? And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you're leaving sound quality on the table or if your setup is already good enough. Right now, most factory-installed door speakers are powered directly by your car's head unit. And sure, that works, but here's the truth. Head units are limited. They typically push low power, which means your speakers are never really reaching their full potential. That's why even decent speakers can sound underwhelming straight out of the box. It's not always the speaker's fault. It's the power behind it. Now, does that mean every door speaker absolutely needs an amp? Not necessarily. If you're someone who listens at moderate volume, doesn't care much about deep bass, and just wants clear audio for daily driving, your stock setup might be perfectly fine. But if you're the type who loves turning up the volume, enjoys punchy bass, and wants your music to feel alive, then yes, an amplifier makes a huge difference. Here's where things get interesting. Adding an amp doesn't just make your speakers louder, it makes them better. You get cleaner sound, more detail, and way less distortion at higher volumes. Vocals become clearer, instruments sound richer, and your overall listening experience transforms completely. It's like unlocking a level in your music you didn't even know existed. And before we go further, if you're finding this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share this video with someone who's also thinking about upgrading their car audio. Drop a comment and tell me what setup you're currently running. I'd love to hear it. Now, one thing people often misunderstand is that amplifiers aren't just for subwoofers. Yes, subs need amps, but door speakers benefit just as much, especially aftermarket ones. In fact, many upgraded speakers are designed to handle more power than your head unit can provide. So without an amp, you're basically underpowering them and missing out on what you paid for. But let's keep it real. Adding an amp isn't always necessary for everyone. It does mean extra cost, installation effort, and sometimes tweaking your system. However, if sound quality matters to you even a little beyond basic listening, it's one of the best upgrades you can make. So here's the truth. Door speakers don't always need an amp, but if you want louder, cleaner, and more immersive sound, they absolutely benefit from one. It's the difference between just hearing music and actually feeling it. If this video helped clear things up for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with others. And drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I always check them out and help where I can. Thanks for watching till the end, and keep it here for more helpful car audio tips and reviews.